Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Interesting Collections. Thank you for supporting me. Please comment on these sarees also. So these are silk linen sarees. Already I posted this in the shorts actually. But now today I am giving it an offer price, only 4,000. Earlier it was 4,200. So now I'm giving it at the 4,000 rate, including shipping. So if you like the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to me in WhatsApp. Look at the flow of the saree. This is silk, so actually it's uh, directly from the manufacturers. So it's very premium quality actually. So let me show you the blouse piece also. It's running same color, self color. So plain self color. This is the blouse piece. So the thin border, which is a same one, same size zari border that's going around in the sari body part also. It's coming all through till the blouse. So let me show you same way. The brown maroon color is also. So this is the other sari, maroon color. Same sari, same concept. So this is the pallu portion, and plain self color is the blouse portion. So if you like the saree, if you want to order, please you can call our WhatsApp at 790-440-2529. The price of the saree is 4,000 including shipping throughout India. Thank you.